Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Christina, and if you are a returning Sebi, welcome back. And if you're a returning viewer and you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because I do know a lot of my viewers aren't subscribers. So if you like my content and you come back, just go ahead and subscribe. It's free. So anyways, today I'm going to be reviewing the new Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation. This says that it has hyaluronic acid and collagen, and it says it gives up to 12 hours of continuous hydration, visibly improves the look of skin, and it's a medium coverage with radiant finish. I got this at Harmon's, and there were not a lot of shades. Like, their shade range there sucked. This was the closest one to my skin tone. The one after this was super dark, and clearly I couldn't use the one before this because this is not gonna match me. But anyways, we'll make it work. I know on Amazon there's a shade, I believe it was like a shade darker than this, I think, something like that, but it was not in stock. It's been out of stock for a while now, and I really wanted to review this, so I was like, let me just go ahead and just get this shade and make it work. So I thought this was actually a twist off, but it comes with a pump, which is super convenient. I love when foundations come with pumps, so that's great. So as usual, one side I'll be using Beauty Blender, and the other side my Sephora Pro Core Diffuser Brush 94. I absolutely love this brush. I also have the 95, which is a little slanted. They're perfect for foundation. Let me roll on my sleeve so I don't get foundation on it. I hope this is not way light. Has a little scent, nothing too crazy. It's very faint though. And this looks like it's gonna be a little bit on the pinky side, so it's gonna be light and pink. Not a good combination. Oh my gosh. This is terribly off. Like, let's see what I can do. Wow. All right, so it actually isn't too bad. I thought it was gonna be way lighter on me, but it's not too bad. I think if I had like the perfect shade, like, it would be perfect. But I will say, am I recording? Okay, good. I will say that my skin looks so good right now. Oh my goodness. And it blends like a dream, okay? It blends so nicely. So, oh my goodness. I just need to, I feel like if I get like the perfect shade, I can already, I don't want to jump ahead, but from the way this is sitting on my skin and the way that it blends, I can already tell I'm going to love this foundation. Look at that. OMG. Apart from the fact that the shade is off, and honestly in person it's not crazy off, it just has a more pinky undertone and I have a more yellow undertone. But honestly, I'm impressed already. So that was one pump on that side, so let me go ahead and put one pump on this other side. Oh my gosh, I honestly, wait, and it feels like very moussey. Is this a mousse? No, it doesn't say it's a mousse. It feels very moussey though. Wow. This looks so good. good. Oh my goodness. Apart from the shade again being off, the foundation is sitting so nicely on my skin. I can't detect any foundation on my face apart from the fact that my skin tone looks off, obviously. But it looks so good. I'm curious to see how it's gonna wear. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. Okay guys, so my skin looks great. My skin looks so good right now. Oh my goodness. I'm loving the way the foundation is sitting on my skin. Wow. The only thing I'm not impressed with right now is the shade that and like I said, there's other shades out there and there's another shade that I think would match me. So, and honestly, I can make this work because it's not terribly pink and it's not terribly too light for me, you know what I mean? So it's currently 11:30 a.m. So I'm gonna go about my day. I'm gonna try to do a check-in, but if not, I'll see you guys at the end of the night with my overall thoughts on the foundation. So it's been over 3 hours since I applied the foundation, and honestly guys, my skin looks great. So far so good. I'm loving this foundation. It's wearing really well. I have no issues right now, so I'll see you guys at the end of the night with my overall thoughts on the foundation. So it's currently 4:35, so just a little over 5 hours since I've been wearing the foundation. So I'm a bit dewy, so I'm gonna go ahead and blot. I'm not super oily, I will say. My skin just looks very, very hydrated. So that makes sense. Foundation looks so good. Oh my goodness, like you cannot detect. I feel like these foundations that have been coming out lately have been really good. Like they're getting better and better, honestly. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, the foundation is medium-ish coverage. It's not full coverage at all. It's a good medium coverage. I did 2 pumps, one on one side, one on the other side, and I got medium coverage on both sides. It applied very well with both the beauty blender and the brush. The only issue I have with the foundation right now is the color is off. Not terrible, as you guys can see. It actually worked out that I didn't have to go crazy and manipulate. I actually didn't even manipulate the foundation. I just did my regular bronzer, a little bit of contour, blush, just the norm. The foundation is very comfortable. It's very hydrating. So if you're extremely oily, no, you might want to prime with a mattifying primer and then set your face with a matte setting powder and then spray your face with a matte spray, because if not, you're going to be oily. I can already tell. Like if I get a shade, this might end up being my favorite go-to drugstore foundation. I have a lot of foundations, so I have options, but I really love the way this sits on my skin, the way it blends, the way it wears. Even though I know I will have to blot, my skin looks like skin. You know what I'm saying? I have my days when I want to look completely beat and like a complete different person. 9 times out of 10, I just want my skin to look flawless. I don't like cakey, period. But there are some foundations that you could tell I have foundation on, but it just looks really good. You know what I mean? This is one of those foundations that you can't tell that I have foundation on, even if you came close to my skin tone. That's how good this foundation looks, and that's how well it sits on my skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe, okay? Don't forget to share this video, leave me comments. Also, let me know. I wanted to know if you guys want me to do like when I do foundation reviews, like do you want to see the entire process in the video, or just the foundation, how I've been doing it, or gonna see the entire thing I put on, like from eyeshadow to the whole thing, right? Let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to do that. If not, I'll just continue doing it the way I have been doing it, unless you guys request for me to do the whole entire face. Just keep in mind that if I do, the video will be longer. If you guys don't mind longer videos, I don't mind. So thank you guys again for your continued support. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video.